Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. And I'll be picking one card from the Fairy Tale Oracle deck. So that will be your fairy tale story for today, guys. I hope it resonates. It may give you some answers about some situation you have in your life today, guys, Aquarius. So let's start with the general reading, guys. So we have Knight of Swords, Ace of Swords and Four of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, it may be in your career. These cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. And you are a person who has firm beliefs, strong ideals. So whatever you feel right, you go forward with that. So you rush towards something for what you believe, maybe. And maybe sometimes if you have that trust on someone or certain things, you decide without thinking twice. So maybe for sometimes it may turn out to be a rash decision, guys, Aquarius. So you need to think carefully before. And Aquarius, in your situation today, guys, maybe it may be a circumstance in your career or in this relationship, something which you were having certain doubts about. So you are getting that clarity today. Maybe this person is revealing what is there in their heart, or you are finding out about them. Maybe someone is giving you the information about them. You may think of it as a rumor or some gossip, but maybe for some of you it may come true. So these wild gossips may come true, guys. So you need to be really careful, Aquarius. So maybe in your situations, if someone is telling you something, your friend or a family member on whom you have trust and who has great concern on you, if they are suggesting you certain things, it is time you listen to them. Maybe up close you don't know what is happening in your situation. Maybe the person you are in relationship with, or maybe it may be in your career, someone, it may be your colleague with whom you are working. So they may be holding some secrets or certain things that may not work well for you. So they are hiding those motives, or it may be feelings, or some past, it may be something bad. So you need to be really careful. If you have doubts on someone, you need to think twice before you relate with them very closely, guys, Aquarius. And I also see that if you have that trust on someone, you are just going to rush, have that total faith, go with that person. So you need to take a step back, think before you take up some course of action in life, guys, Aquarius. And I also see that there is a new beginning coming in your situation, guys. It may be in your career, maybe some new projects or some work related beginning, a new assignment or whatever it is, that is going to give you more, take you towards your goals, give you that happiness, satisfaction, or it may be a new relationship. So again, maybe you have trust on this person and you see them as someone attractive and you are heading towards this relationship. So if that is the case, you need to think twice before you associate with this person, guys. So you are not yet sure what they are, what do they have in mind. So you need clarity in your situation before moving towards them, guys, Aquarius. So that is what I see with these cards for your general energy, guys. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Queen of Cups. So with this card, guys, Aquarius, you are a very devoted person, and you are someone who is having that intuition, something pushing you towards something, and you have your instincts telling you what needs to be done today. So maybe in your heart of hearts you are attracted to someone, but you need to be really careful, guys. They may be a good person, it may or may not be your situation, but you need to think twice before you are getting to a deep and close connection with this person, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Aquarius, for your relationship. So let's see for your career. We have Two of Pentacles in reverse. So some news is reaching you today, guys, Aquarius. It may be for most of you, it may be a good news in your career situation. So some new projects or some deals or whatever it is that is reaching you today. Or it may be some written agreement, something you are signing, maybe a deal or something. So some positive changes in your career is happening today. So let's see what is your fairy story for today, Aquarius. So we have one card. It is Bluebeard. So Aquarius, this card just means that you are going to find out some secrets today, and if you are curious about some things, maybe you should try to clear that curiosity, find out the truth. Maybe there are certain things hidden from your vision, so you need to go for that clarity, guys. So with this card, it just means that there is someone close to you who is holding secrets. So it may not be small secrets, it may be huge secrets which may affect you. So you need to be really careful, guys. So if someone is coming towards you, if your family or friends, someone is telling you that you cannot trust this person, you have to think to be in this connection with them. You have to listen to them, guys, and you have to assess your situation and think twice before taking that next deep step or going in for that deep relationship with them. So they are hiding some truth and you are finding it out today. It may come as a rumor or as a third hand information. We should not believe rumors, but we have the similar energy with the previous cards, guys, Aquarius. So you need to be really careful, guys. That is what I see with these cards. So if you are curious to find out about someone, you have to go for it. have that curiosity and find out about them, then you will learn the truth, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Aquarius, for your daily energy. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.